Well, it's that time again. It's Math with Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today's topic is sequences. Every day, a radio station asks a question for a prize of $150. If the fifth caller does not answer correctly, the prize money increases by $150 each day until somebody correctly answers their question. This is sort of like the Georgia lottery. Anyway, make a list of the prize money for a week from Monday to Friday if nobody gets it right. Okay, so Monday, if nobody gets it right, the prize is $150. Okay, Tuesday, I'm going to add $150. Okay, and I'm going to get $300. So I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to add $150 here, add $150 here, and I add $150 here. So I get on Wednesday $450, Thursday $600, and Friday $750. Now, a sequence. The prizes amounts form a sequence. A sequence is a function whose domain, that's the input. Okay, domain means input. Okay, whose domain is a set of consecutive, one after another, natural numbers. Okay, y'all may have also heard those called the counting numbers because we start with 1 and we go 2 and 3 and go on, forever and ever and ever. Okay, what would be the value on day 6? Well, day 5 was what? $750. So on day 6, I'm adding another $150 and I get $900. Day 7 is $1,050. Day 18, I'd have to sit there and add a whole bunch of 150s together. Okay, but I get 2,700. Now, the values in a range, those are the output values. Okay, these are the output. The output values, okay, are called the terms of a sequence. Remember, the domain is the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, on and on and on, forever and ever, until I get to some unknown number n. Okay, and my range, okay, now this is real important. I want you to notice. I denote this is called a sub 1. And the sub 1 just tells me that this range number matches up to my first term in my domain. Okay? So my second term is a sub 2. My third term is a sub 3. My fourth term is a sub 4. Remember, these are unknown numbers right now. And my last term is a sub n, matching up with whatever that natural number is way down the road. Okay, a sequence can be specified by an equation or rule. So let's go back and examine our contest. Monday was my first day, so my a sub 1, or my first term, was 150. Tuesday was my second day, and it was valued at $300. Wednesday was my third day. It was valued at $450. My Thursday is my fourth day. It was valued at $600. And Friday was my fifth day, which was valued at $750. A sub n, this guy right here, a sub n, represents a general term. Okay, it's that one way out of the end of my sequence where n can be any number. So, what is the closed formula for our what's our formula for our sequence right here? Well, it is n times $150. Because if you stop and look at this, 150 times 1, 150 times 1 is 150. 300, or 150 times 2 is 300, and on and on. So, a sequence can continue forever. We can calculate as many terms as we as we want, as long as we know the rule or the equation defining our a sub n term. So here's one for you. 6n minus 4. Okay, well, this is my first term, my second term, my third term, my fourth term. So my fifth term here is really 6 times 5 minus 4, which I believe is 26. Okay, and my sixth term is 6 times 6 minus 4, okay, which is what? Let's see, 6 times 6 is 36 minus 2, which is 32. And my last term, okay, is 6 times n minus 4, because this is my nth term. Now, writing terms of a sequence. Here's another nice little one. Okay, a sub 1, meaning my term, my first term, is negative 1, because I put in, here I said 2 times 1 minus 3. And this one here is 2 times 2 minus 3. And 2 times 2 minus 3 is positive 1. This is 2 times 3 minus 3. Fourth term is 2 times 4 minus 3. And my fifth term is 2 times 5 minus 3. Hopefully you've got your calculator with you and you're typing these in, because our next term is 3, 5, and 7. Let's try another one. All right, this one, okay, we have a different rule. My first term is negative 5 times 1 plus 20. All right, and that gives me 15. Now, I'm going to use the lovely land of Mathemagics, and I'm going to do some cloning, because Mrs. Peters doesn't write really well when she's doing it without, she's just doing it on the computer. And I am going to use the magic eraser. Okay, I'm going to take out the little ones in these, and I'm going to put in the term value. Okay, my second term, my third term, my fourth term, and my fifth term. And those come out to be 10, 5, 0, and negative 5. And these are for y'all to do. We will go over them in class to check to make sure you did them. This is part of your homework, so you better have something written on your paper or come to tutoring, and I'll be happy to help y'all. See you then. Take care. Very proud of y'all.